Hello, today I will guide you on how to show or hide the favorites bar in Microsoft Edge. Step 1, open Microsoft Edge settings. Open the Microsoft Edge browser. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open the browser's settings page. Step 2, navigate to Appearance Settings. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Appearance from the left-hand panel. This section allows you to customize the visual elements of your browser. Step 3, customize the favorites bar. Scroll down to the Customize Toolbar section. Look for the Show Favorites bar option. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select one of the following options. Always to keep the favorites bar visible all the time. Never to hide it completely, or only on new tabs to show it only when opening a new tab. Once you have selected your preferred option, the favorites bar will automatically update based on your choice. You have now successfully added or removed the favorites bar in Microsoft Edge. If you ever need to change the settings again, simply repeat the steps above. Thank you for following this guide.